Magnesium is a magnificent mineral. Sorry to be cheesy, but it is. Magnesium participates in so many processes in our body, so it's so good for us, and most of us are deficient. One thing that I love to do is I make my own magnesium oil, and it's a piece of cake. So I'll show you make it right now. You just get some distilled water, and I get some magnesium chloride flakes that you can just buy anywhere online, and that's it. All you do is take equal parts of distilled water and the magnesium chloride, mix them together. I get the water really hot and boiling. Hopefully this was strong enough to tolerate it. And then I just pour it over the flakes, and this is going to dissolve it. And you end up with, voila, some homemade magnesium oil. Now it's not really oil, but the texture ends up being kind of oily, so they call it magnesium oil. I love to use it for all different reasons. Magnesium is so good for you, but it's hard to take different pills and supplements, and magnesium oxide can upset your stomach and cause loose stools. So a reliable way to take and absorb magnesium is on your skin transdermally. So I just put some magnesium oil in a little bottle, and you can spray it on morning, evening, whenever you like. You can also get creative and add a little essential oil to it for other health benefits. Magnesium is great for preventing headaches. It's also very calming, good for anxiety and sleep. So it's great to put on in the evening, maybe after a shower or bath, and you can put some lotion on top of it. Again, it's great at preventing headaches. I love to make personal care products myself just because it's so much healthier for you, and it has so many health benefits. And also it makes great gifts. So it's easy, it's cost effective, and it's fun. And one last thing. So I've put my magnesium oil in my bottle, and you can just spray it on your skin. One last thing is it often tingles on your skin. Now that tends to happen in the beginning, especially if you tend to be deficient in magnesium, and it just gets less with time. I don't notice it anymore, but if you do notice a tingling or burning sensation, that's nothing bad. Another thing I like to do is add like a purification blend of essential oils, if you've ever heard of that one, to the magnesium oil, and I actually like to use it as deodorant. It's not the most effective thing in the world if you're going to be really sweaty and exercising and around a lot of people, but when I'm hanging out at home, I love to use it, and then you get those health benefits of it. Just be careful, magnesium oil on freshly shaved armpits can be a bit tingly, but it works well. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.